Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I did it!
Hi, I'm Faye.
And I'm Fluffy.
And we're on a mission to be fabulous.
Bring joy, and most importantly,
Read the house down!
Hi, friends. I am so glad that you're all here today. I'm in a bit of a pickle. I'm supposed to go to the beach with Faye today, but I kinda, sorta, totally forgot that I have a dentist appointment. And I can't skip my dentist appointment because a healthy smile is very important. But I don't want to let my friend down, and I'm afraid that I'm going to. Do you have any ideas of what you can do when you let your friend down?
You should go home and tell your mom that your teeth are cool. And you could tell Faye that to reschedule it for tomorrow.
Okay, that's a good idea. But how can I make her feel a little bit better?
Maybe you should give her a hug.
Oh, that's a really good idea. All right. I think I got it.
Oh, Fluffaroony! Oh, hi, friends!
Hi, Faye!
Surf's up, Buttercup! I am so excited about going to the beach today. I have been waiting in anticipation all week.
About that, Faye, I actually forgot that...
Your sunscreen? Here, hold this. I'm sure I've got plenty in my bag. Gonna look through here, and there's that.
I can't go to the beach with you. I'm so sorry.
You can't?
No, I forgot that I have a dentist appointment today that I have to go to. I'm so sorry, Faye. Are you upset?
I feel kinda sad. I feel kinda... Have any of you ever felt that way? What is it?
Disappointed.
Do you agree? Is it disappointment?
Yeah!
That's it. That's what I'm feeling right now.
Disappointed.
Can you give us an example of when you've been disappointed?
Me and my parents were going to the CN Tower, but then we were eating at a restaurant. But when we were done eating, the CN Tower was closed. Well, me and my friends, we were gonna play tag, but then it was raining a lot outside, so we had to stay inside.
Yeah, that sounds pretty disappointing. Do you know how to get rid of that icky, disappointed feeling?
You could talk to someone about it. I breathed in and out.
Ooh.
But I'm still really frustrated about it.
Yeah.
Do you feel a little frustrated, too?
I feel different feelings, but I think that breathing could help.
Okay. Okay, you look calmer now. That's good.
Thanks, friends. Those are great ideas. We all get disappointed sometimes. What do you do?
I can get through it.
And the beach is going to be there tomorrow anyway.
Yes.
Time for a super awesome day at our favorite place, the library.
Oh no, this is awful.
Oh my glitter, what a mess. How will we ever find the books we want to read?
Our library day is completely ruined.
Don't cry, Fluff. I know this is disappointing, but we can't change it.
Or can we? Are you thinking what I'm thinking, Faye?
You bet I am, Fluffy. What is something kind we can do?
Help out! And then the next visitors won't be let down like we were. We did it! There shall be no disappointed readers today, Faye. Faye?
I couldn't help myself.
Hi, my name is Ricardo, and I'm 7 years old. I love football. It's fun, and it's one of my favorite sports. I'm good at football because I know how to do tricks, I know how to get touchdowns, and I run fast. I wanted to play football because my older brother plays on the U12. And they had the nice jerseys. I really wanted to wear them, but then I found out I couldn't because I was too young. I was sad, so I'm gonna keep practicing until next fall. Touchdown. Bye-bye.
That's one of my favorite parts.
Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree. Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We settled down, now take a look, let's open up this book.
Today's book is Kevin the Unicorn, It's Not All Rainbows by Jessica von Innenbrunner. Everyone knows unicorns are perfect. They bring glitter and happiness to everything around them. Their smiles alone make rainbows appear.
When you're a unicorn, every day is filled with magical awesomeness!
That is how it was for Kevin, until the morning he woke up on the floor.
This had never happened before. Something felt different. Something was different, but Kevin knew just what to do. Keep it happy. He reminded himself, always remember to smile.
With an extra big smile, Kevin set out for a glittery and fantastic day. Ooh, nice car, Kevin.
Sure, his day had started off on the wrong hoof, but Kevin was positive he could turn it around. However, things didn't go as planned. Kevin's car has run out of magical rainbow fuel. How do you think Kevin's feeling right now?
By the time he got to town, Kevin felt a little frazzled. He had never had a less than perfect morning before. Keep it happy, Kevin told himself. Maybe a glitter soda would get his day back on track. Holy hooves! The line was long, but Kevin was sure it would move quickly.
It didn't, though. And by the time he got to the front, they were all out of glitter soda. Keep it happy, he said to himself. What would you feel? You've been waiting, you're so excited, and they're all out of your favorite thing.
Sad. I would feel very, very sad. Very, very, very disappointed.
Yes, super disappointed. Can you all show me what your face would look like if you were super disappointed? Oh, gosh. Oh. Hey, friend, don't worry. I'm gonna set you up with a free
Clam juice!
Ugh.
Have a sparkly day. Kevin kept a smile on his face, even though his insides didn't feel smiley at all. What a happy day. Always be a happy corn. Got smiles?
Sploosh! Oh, sorry. Are you okay? Totally feeling happy and fantastic, just like always. Who doesn't want to smell like the ocean?
Kevin continued on his way. Well, that's a lot of birds. Then went over to the 84th annual Pancakes for Happiness and found out syrup is very sticky. Oh, my old cupcakes. Into the party pit, over to wish a happy birthday to Andrew. These puppies are so cute, but look at all of them chasing Kevin, and then he tripped and fell.
But Kevin could no longer hide what he was really feeling. Today is not awesome or fantastic. It's definitely not sparkly. How should I say that word? Exactly. It's horrible. This is really, really horrible, lousy, awful day.
Oh, look at all these unicorns around. Noticing poor Kevin. And this little one over here is saying, I'm having a bad day too.
There's clam juice on my favorite shirt. This has been stuck on my horn for a week, and I've been pretending that it's not there.
It's a donut.
A donut on their horn. And there's glitter in my eye.
Oh no, that's the worst feeling.
There's glitter in both my eyes. days.
That sounds really painful.
Turns out, unicorns don't always have perfect magical days.
And that's the end. Did you all love that story?
Yeah!
I learned a little bit about disappointment and how to get through it.
So remember to care.
And remember to be kind.
And remember to read. Wait, before we say goodbye, I have a little surprise for you with a beach party!